Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I get asked about a lot. Can I link my UK bank account to Venmo? I know that this is a question that a lot of people have, especially if you're a student or if you're traveling abroad. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money, but it can be confusing if you're not sure how to use it with your UK bank account. In this video, I'm going to answer the question of whether or not you can link your UK bank account to Venmo. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of doing so. So, if you're interested in learning more about how to use Venmo with your UK bank account, then please keep watching. Yes, you can link your UK bank account to Venmo. However, there are a few things that you need to know before you do so. First, you need to make sure that your UK bank account is eligible for international transactions. Not all UK bank accounts are eligible for international transactions. If your bank account is not eligible, you will not be able to link it to Venmo. Second, you will need to create a Venmo account using your UK phone number. This is because Venmo uses your phone number to verify your identity. Once you have created your Venmo account, you can link your UK bank account to it. To do this, you will need to provide Venmo with your bank account number, routing number, and bank name. Once your bank account is linked to Venmo, you will be able to send and receive money to and from your friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services online. Pros and cons of linking your UK bank account to Venmo. There are both pros and cons to linking your UK bank account to Venmo. It's easy to send and receive money to and from your friends and family. You can use Venmo to pay for goods and services online. You can get paid back for purchases made with Venmo. You can earn rewards for using Venmo. There are fees associated with using Venmo. Venmo may not be available in all countries. Venmo is not as secure as a traditional bank account. Whether or not you should link your UK bank account to Venmo is up to you. If you think that the benefits outweigh the risks, then go ahead and do it. However, if you're concerned about the security of your money, then you may want to stick with a traditional bank account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you have. If you're planning on using Venmo with your UK bank account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. You can also use Venmo with a debit or credit card. Venmo is available in over 40 countries. You can get help with Venmo by contacting their customer support team. I hope this helps.